You can make some money off it. Is it that rum? Cool. Yeah, so I'm taking Dee to Hellshire again because Clara tried, so she want to go Hellshire to the Hellshire Beach because she said it's hot. So I'm taking her to the Hellshire Beach today because she still want to practice how to swim so she can save me and herself at the same time. So we're taking her there, right Dee? Oh my days.
On the beach, where me get me sting fish. Out to sea, where me catch me fish, you see. Girl, where me love her, where they call her and Jean. Pan the land, say me fishing pan the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Walk on land, you know me swim up on the sea. On the beach.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Yes.
They're eating two patties.
Two patties. What kind of patty are you eating?
Chicken patty.
No
It's
beef.
my favorite, guys. Chicken patty is everything to me. I love it.
It's the best right now in Jamaica.
Yeah, but it's crazy. Can you imagine the queues out here? Inside it's extremely full.
And you're still waiting patiently.
We have to wait patiently.
Sure, you know.
If you want to have a good day, have a party. Most on Saturdays.
You sure you don't want to go?
No, I have to wait.
It's like 2 hours wait.
No problem, even if it means sleeping here till morning.
Oh my days.
It's hot, you guys. I don't know if you're open.
Listen, you see what I'm dealing with right now? She's gonna wait 2 hours for a chicken patty. That's Jamaican patty is the best.
The best.
Because
if you ever come to Jamaica, just be sure to try the patty. You're gonna fall in love with it, no doubt.
So when you're leaving, whenever you take 3 boxes or 4 boxes and just stack them up in the fridge.
Yeah.
You know? So these session of mine wait, so take a day or wait. You know, and see how long it's gonna really take because the line now move outside at I was standing like 15 minutes already.
Others are going. Others are giving up and going.
Yeah, you know, give up the come.
No way.
He said no way. Oh Lord. Yeah, man. On the weekend. On the weekend. Yeah. Beer, right?
Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. You know life in Jamaica.
Oh yeah.
He's the one.
I mean, listen. Smart.
Nice.
Give thanks and respect for watching. So now you're gonna see yourself. Give yourself a shout out.
Big up me. Hello.
Yeah, so this
Temba.
This is one of our fans. Big up yourself.
Thank you so much.
Oh, so finally, do you tell them where you get?
Oh guys, so finally we have the patties. The line was quite long, but patience pays. So always have patience in life.
Guys, we're there for like almost 2 hours.
Yeah, but finally
almost
we got
2 hours. So so she want 2 patties.
Yeah.
1 plant based, which is saya, and chicken. I know she said she want coconut,
Yeah.
she want fish, she want everything. But when she eat patty, she's like, I'm full. So I don't know how she
The
gonna eat.
chicken is a must.
Huh?
The chicken, not the chicken, the fish is a must at the beach.
Yeah, but she can't eat enough because when she eat one patty, her belly full. When she eat one patty, her belly full. No?
Today is a must. I'll go to the toilet.
Oh, well,
Time for the coconut.
hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink it now.
So we'll full your
Finish
belly as
one
well.
right there.
Coconut's gonna full your belly, dude.
Of course, no problem. Why not? Yeah,
So when do you leave Jamaica? Hey,
I'll be thick.
she be thick. Put on so much weight right here. Tell me a smiley. Blessed fire.
Blessed fire.
Them said don't watch the size, right? We don't want coconut. I have the Empress here all the way from Kenya. So you know she need a special salt out from the
The
coconut.
avocado he's eating is one of the best.
Avocado. Cold. You want it cold, right?
Yes.
Cold. Yeah, cold is the right thing.
Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna get some
Coconut.
so good.
Yeah, is it sweet? Them said don't watch the size.
Sweetness.
It's the sweetness.
Wow, so good.
So she said or 2 jelly, now she get 1. So you have 1 more left. I hope this will calm you down for the day.
The best water ever. Hold it for me a little bit, can you please?
That's the name of it, Portmore Henderson Plaza. That's your Lamborghini there. hot. The sun.
I need to wipe my camera a little bit. You wanna eat now I'm living in Jamaican. But these things keep on scaring me like the weeds.
It's natural, man. It's natural. Salty.
The $100 that they are charging at the gate, they should do away with these things. They're really scaring me.
That's what they're planning to do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's what they say. Hold this for me a little bit. Can you tap on this? You know, these are the things that really scare me. It's like a crocodile hugging my leg.
Why is it not showing? Let me stop it.
For me, as long as my feet can step down, I have no fear. The moment I can't step down, it's horrible. Huh?
Yeah, just like an Octalia. You want to see these? Oh my days. That's how I feel. Come, flash it again. These flashing lights, you got the tallest here. He was like the tallest here. Hey. Come again, swim for Kenya.
I swim for Kenya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kenya need a swimming team for the Olympics.
He went back.
Eh?
He went
No,
back.
but you're swimming, you're swimming. I think a sideways shot. That's it. the eating party is the eating our next party.
Yeah, This is my second party.
So she eat one already and she bring the next one on the beach.
The next fish.
Next fish. As they swim, she said, I'm hungry. See, her belly is not full anymore.
If you swim, you must be hungry.
Yeah, because the salt water dig out your belly, make you hungry. Hungry. I go play football with them youths. I go play football. Can't play football. Kick away the ball. Come, 2 points. Come.
You have to do?
Yeah.
When I use it, when I use it, you go sell yes. No. A big man ball game with that. Yeah, me, the dog a big man here though.
Alright.
Man salad brother.
Apa sorry?
Yo, follow. Okay, come there. Come there.
Hey, he's playing football. Hey, he play for Kenya. He play for Kenya. He play for Kenya. Oh. Yeah. With them playing football.
Reading, you know you've been an international player.
Playing for Jamaica. International. Oh God. Keep the ball. To be continued.
Lisa, kick it out. How many defenders are in there? Oh! Right here.
Can I put an anklet on you? I mean, you never knew.
So it always attract people. Say, oh, I see her. Let me give her support, you know?
Yeah, can you see it?
Can I see it? Yeah. So I realize
you know who shot me there? When Chris passed? We look so me and food.
Yeah. He might come as well to him, so rich.
Me know say Marco, him same love Jamaica.
I'm coming.
But him a look him how much thing they pan it.
Yeah. So what we have over here?
Shrimp over here.
Shrimp. What kind of shrimp name? We call them? Crayfish. Crayfish. Alright, so I want a bag of that. And my favorite over here, so gizzarda.
Yeah.
Me and the girl them gizzarda.
Yeah man, me know.
I lie, I tell you never know.
Me do know long time.
How you know that? You look at the girl them gizzarda?
Yeah.
Am I likable? Because I'm likable, right?
You have to be.
That's
you better
good.
you like her more than dislike her.
I'm telling you, because it's a good feeling. Even though people have to dislike your life.
You can't stop that.
You can't.
You never stop. I know everybody are going to like
one dislike.
No, because
that man said, I know everybody are going to like me.
exactly. And what can you do? You have to accept it, right? Accept it.
Don't worry about that. That's the least of the problem.
1, 2 of them.
Take off the one.
Take it off for me. I'm soft, I'm ready, freshly. I'm a favorite
If
this
you
thing.
want the tough one, you have to go get half a tree.
I say, I tell them, man, it's fresh. So, well enough to come people and want the fresh things. Yeah. Because you always here on the beach, right? Come see you. And now I come here and see you.
And you want to be all chatting in the video too.
Yes, you know, so them realize you have. I see them just around the world. So anybody come Hellshire and them see this face, you know what time it is. Right?
Well, the amount of video when me go pan.
Yeah, the amount. And let me have one of these. Let me have one of this.
You tell her the price. Yes, you tell her.
5, she's a 5. Yeah.
Need any pepper?
Pepper?
Extra pepper?
No extra pepper, please. So let me have it like this. Too much pepper not good. So I got spoil my vibes because my eye got burn me.
Are you going to love pepper?
Love pepper? I'll leave it just a few minutes, yeah? Yeah. Ready for the photo? We call it the photo man in the world. I am the.
No, actually, you don't take like good pictures.
I'm going back up there. Imagine she can't come take photos, just say I don't take good pictures. Yeah? So why you call me?
I want to teach you.
Teach?
So good here.
Next. Next.
You just said next, then I eat all of them.
I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad.
Okay, let's see.
Next.
Let's see. You need classes to be a good photographer.
All
when
right.
it comes to pictures, you are out. 0. Let's see.
Alright, look.
Wow, Kina. Who's that girl?
What are you gonna say?
No.
What are you gonna say? Well, so we have here. Fishes, the lobster right there too. That's the lobster. The one that was eating was the smaller one.
Of the snow.
Yeah, sounds crazy. What is snapper? Snapper. This is what is grown. Yeah.
Okay, guys, after swimming, it's time to eat fish. Fresh fish.
Which one you like? This size.
This one. This. So I'm gonna eat this.
And I'm gonna eat this. If you want, fry man in Beno, free that them run there. Okay.
Oh, nice parrot. Then I eat nice, you know.
Alright then. Right. Festival, right? And bar planting.
One festival and planting, right?
Yeah.
come to Hellshire Beach, they have all that you need. Look at that tree. But I don't know.
So here's where them prepare. Big fire blazing, big pot.
Can I show it as you try it?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna season it first, He's gonna clean it up and season it.
Never call you when they need you.
And clean it up first, so these are the big pot.
It's clean, that's good.
Kitchen is clean, right?
I don't call you back. You can go and walk around and video around there. I don't call you back when they're in a pot. Alright.
So you're supposed to live them life. Alright, so this spot is my spotting. Right here, so yeah. If them see me, them are gonna say, Kino, what go on? But I can't be sure of my face. Yeah. Because I'm meant to be there. So
See the clouds here? That's so big.
tropical breeze.
Jamaican food left long time ago. They feel so good watching these videos.
Can them see it though? 4%, my battery is dying so rapidly. Tropical breeze. So there, and shall go and walk the place. Cultural stuff. And everything. I got 4%.
We came here with Chris. I think we were eating somewhere.
When you come by and drink from your team, you come back and shop. When you're with me, I'm talk to you. I'm going to come back and shop. You hand me a car, you don't answer.
Where?
Right on the shop.
Oh, where did that drive come in?
When you just come in, we need to talk to you.
Oh.
You're with me in the shop right there, back on time, you talk to you, and give you high five with that like.
You're still around.
Go on, sit over there.
What do you say?
With the right next to you, yellow and blue, so we can't do it to you, come from.
Alright.
Come for them, do you want it?
Alright then. Yeah man, respect. Auntie Jay's. Just me a Jamaican.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Bless us. Yeah. On them big gas here. Some places use gas and some use wood. Can you see that big gas there a while ago? Look like them use gas, but them say it's better with the wood.
For the flavor.
The flavor.
This is how Hellshire Beach looks like. Right. We just wanna walk and see if we can find DJ Irie.
Oh, DJ Irie.
Yeah.
I wish for around here, so. Was it here? No. Oh, over there.
So guys, I don't know if you all remember this place. It belongs to one of our good friends. Irie.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's around or not. I have no idea.
DJ Irie. Ask the cat. Let's ask the cat. DJ Irie. And say, you're not a dog, so don't piss around here. DJ.
Maybe he's not around.
Not around. DJ. You in there?
Ah, he's here.
Oh.
You see?
Yeah.
I buy up banana and thing. I want to sit me a bill for me. The channel sitting, you know.
What guy?
Where you Bill?
I set up one sitting for me, put my camera in.
Okay, see there, shabo my face.
Pull me top, man.
How you doing?
But me think that tomorrow I come, you know.
Tomorrow? But I'm here today.
You're there today, oh my God.
You working?
We just come from bush.
Oh,
Bush.
I'm from Bush.
See
I
the
just came here
cats.
and I was like, I can't go without saying hello to you. I was like, I must say hello. I
Yeah.
can't just pass like that.
I know say hello.
You're a good friend. Banana.
Turn around a Jamaican.
Yes, I saw them tear downtown. Brother.
Big chef now.
You know, brother.
Yeah.
Tell you them tear money.
Yeah, so you know the most DJ Irie.
Oh, you turn.
Nice.
So these are the woods then use to fry the fish them, right? Are them here them use, right? What you call them here? Can I wood them here?
Thinking peas and kasha.
Kasha. And what type?
Thinking peas.
Thinking peas? Which peas that? Is that peas tree name, sir?
No, one wood, special wood.
Oh, she said thinking peas, you know that think of peas. And that one are the blazing one. What is one name?
Kasha.
This is the catcher. This is the one I know about. Catcher blaze. So this is what them say give the fish the flavor. So that's why in Hellshire them say have the best fried fish. You know, Hellshire is known for its fish and food. You know, over here is the spot, right? So you fry fish too? Catch. So you're a fisherman?
Wood.
Oh, wood. Okay, so whenever them want wood, you go look the wood. That's your job over here.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's good. Long time you do that?
Not so long.
So what's your name?
Stanley.
Stanley. Big up yourself, Stanley. Wow. So this is Stanley Beauty. Stanley is a man who go and catch the woods, get the woods, you know, and let's drop them off too. So you supply all of the shops around here then?
More time.
Wow, so a big business you have, man. Saying I gonna need a company next month, Stanley.
We have company, man.
You have a company? Which part?
A general link upon it, man.
Okay. A good thing you do, man. A good business that, man. You're a rich man then, man.
Come and see this. You see? Give me a tripod.
Oh, you're making a tripod?
Yeah, man. That's how I do my little thing, you know.
So you're using
You have to put one piece of board behind it.
Is that a tin? Such as tin, like?
Yeah.
So you want a tripod? Where you gonna put on it? You know, so we need to get him a tripod.
Me buy one camera. Let me carry it.
Come here.
Welcome to DJ.
Let me show them what you. This is what he's using to make a tripod. It's very creative still, but I think we need to get him a tripod.
Oh, that day you didn't show me this side. Yeah. I didn't come up to this side. You have a big place.
See him have him.
DJ Ivy.
Friend, I come back tomorrow to set up the channel for me, you know.
You might come tomorrow?
So, watch you know. I just buy this yesterday, but I don't understand it so good.
You buy it yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand it so good.
So you know Ivy has been living alone for the past how many years now?
About 30 years, I don't live with no woman, you know.
30 years?
Yeah.
So right now you wait for your woman to come in your life?
No, I don't wait for nobody here right now. I'm old now, you know.
So you retire for man?
I retire. I don't go and live my life until God ready for me. Yes. But I live 90 years though. All of my family them live 90 years.
Oh, so you have Wi-Fi on this already?
Yeah, man. I don't put in no register Wi-Fi yet. I make them girl put in a number.
Oh, wow. Make them girl put in a number?
Yeah, man. I pitney them over there.
Okay.
I'm raise them, you know.
Oh, you have kids? But you're...
No, my bonify, but everybody grown up my hand for them time. So tell them to big woman on one place over there.
Okay.
You know.
Sorry then. So with this then, you say you don't know if you use it. For you too?
No, man. You know, me go up on this first.
No, another to go up on. Alright. You go up on this for video, right?
Video.
Yeah, so you can either look on yourself or you press this. So with that now, but you have to turn it next way. Whenever you have video, you turn it like so.
Yeah, that's why I make it something, one tripod something.
Yeah.
So
now you can start either catch a video now and go on video like over there.
Yeah, man.
You see, so this is Skin Alive in Jamaica representing one of the great man Hellshire. So we are giving the first clippings and this is the Mwango
from Kenya. So DJ Ivy is a good friend of ours. I previously met him with Chris. So today I was like, because we came to the beach to swim, why not come and say hello? So please be sure to subscribe. Let's support him. Let's get him to 10K.
Okay, so
everybody who is watching, you need to subscribe.
Yes, so this is DJ Ivy. This is my first ever DJ.
Daddy Ivy.
Daddy Ivy. So Sarah says Daddy Ivy. So this is my first clip in my...
On the beach, where me get me steam fish. Out to sea when me catch me fish you see. Girl when me love her with the collar and jean. Pan the land say me fishing pan the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Walk on land, you know me swim up on the sea. On the beach, oh Lord. On the beach, oh yeah. And on the beach, I will me get. Yes, I saw it going on, my brother.
Daddy
So when you see me, just subscribe for me.
Yeah.
And let me get a little thing. I
Alright.
know what, me a good man, you know. I know when you see me a good man, you know, go help me. Me know that you know go help me.
Yeah.
Alright.
And that is it.
So,
And
so
that
Daddy,
is it.
so
That
Daddy,
is the
Daddy
news.
Irie, no check out Daddy Irie on YouTube.
Bring one of your
So we're gonna try and set it up for him.
That is it.
Yeah.
You know, so Daddy Irie can do him things same way. So this is Daddy Irie place, as you can see.
Hi guys, welcome
This
to
man-
Daddy Irie Place.
Yes, man, live.
And then I put my camera in there and I can turn around and way what me I do.
So this is how Daddy Irie
Yeah,
create
so me I do
a
my
makeshift
thing.
tripod.
My tripod when me a man where can do things, you know, and me just look on things and can do things, you know.
You're so creative.
Very creative.
More
Yeah.
than me. Wow.
God, you see, me don't know not about electrician and me can do all kind of things by electrician. Me ain't creative to play guitar. Me can play little guitar, little keyboard, little bass. Cause me have my bass guitar in my house there.
Yeah.
And my keyboard in there.
Mm-hmm.
Me have my mixing board where me used to mix. Me used to do all the sugar mine that, you know. Yeah man, and them never bust me. They never walk me.
I'm gonna work big talent like you.
Hey.
But so the music industry kind of stay still, you know. So my time, the people them with the talent always suffer the most, you know.
Sure,
when time
man.
you know always
Yeah.
the one that putting out the good work, see
You see, once me go in the hill that you go video, so my what me I do in the hill, you know. But me never get the understanding of the video, so me kind of know now.
Okay.
So, I'm going to go up there tomorrow morning early before I go to church. For video so my wood when I cut pull down to cut my song carry home because it give me a little problem.
So right now we are doing
Hey, but it's on my property.
Oh, it's on your property.
it's on you.
I'm on today now, almost a year lock up.
Oh, almost a year
Yeah,
lock up.
because then thief off the whole of my panel them up there, you know. They cut off the them there. 7 panel gone.
Solar,
Yeah, man.
them thief
If you
them.
go up the panel, it place up there, you can walk on the ladder, go up there and see how up there, then take away all I think them up there.
So
man.
you know there,
Huh?
you never hear when it happen.
No, here I mean, I'm out there.
And you never our night when you sleep.
But me piece of them have man on the beach and know about it. A man can't just come from road so can know say pan there so man know say do up there show them I get a thing then go do them thing.
Do them
me
job.
know, you know, but me not pick pan nobody still, you know.
Yeah.
But me know say I saw the thing run.
Daddy, I
Yeah, so me suffer. So me suffer. Me suffer for buy them panel there. I want my battery in, so the woman plug out the fridge and burn up the 6 battery in there. And never tell me nothing. Understand? So them the money gone down the drain, everything gone the drain. Me lose over 800 to 900,000 right as one now. Out of nothing.
Okay.
When me have to walk, do fencing work. When me have to walk 300, 600, 700 feet of fence, you get 120,000.
Yeah.
I see it?
Yeah.
And then me see, me not jam everything. Me see a back something.
Yeah, true.
And if me not see, me couldn't have nothing.
Could have nothing.
You know, 2 bicycles, me have one that's one in my house. So.
One bicycle.
One in there, so
Yeah,
2.
one other one
And another
inside.
one in the house.
Yeah, in the dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In electricity in there, no light.
Yeah,
It has
man.
light.
Yeah, light, man. Yeah, light in a place, man.
So me say like you like darkness. Okay, but you like that need for brighter, man. You need that LED light.
LED light, I
Yeah.
the whole time light that me have still.
See,
Me
I
have soon set up my thing, man.
Yeah, you
Soon
need
set up my thing.
a brighter light.
And my
so
girl
you
them from over next door, they give me a little current, you know.
can- Okay.
And you see when I add on current and I play my sound.
Mm-hmm.
You see how they never on the line I keep playing.
Yeah.
Me never touch them.
I ain't not touch nobody thing. Daddy I replace.
Yes. You saw me look at 70 a day old. Your brother bless me that look so.
Yeah, how much? 70 how much?
73 November.
73 November.
20 of November.
Alright, so guys, subscribe to Daddy
The
Irie.
Irie.
Yeah.
So you know, from yourself.
Yeah, me have one next tune, you know, when me never put on this, you know.
Alright,
Money grab a girl. Money grab a girl. Yeah. You know one, yeah?
Yeah.
Wicked tune this, you know.
Money
Grab a girl. Money grab a girl. You don't love no man.
Hey.
Only want a man for what he got, not for what he is. Going around and a tricksing man and tell them lot of lie. Tell man how you love them just because you want what they got. Hey girl, that's not the right thing to do. And if you love him, let him know. And if you don't, let him go. Don't come around and trick up the man just because what you want. Hey, hey, I saw a thing said. Yes, man. Father God, me know say me never me there on the man.
Oh,
Yeah.
Lord.
Yes, on the beach. I know you love that song there. You, know.
You can sing.
Let me give you one CD, you know.
Yes, come up again.
On the beach, oh Lord. On the beach, where me get me steam fish.
Hey.
Yes, on the beach, where me get me steam fish.
Hey.
Out the sea, where me get me fish to see. Girl, where me love her with the color and jean. Pan pan the land, tell me fish can see. Hi.
So much noise.
Yeah.
There are mosquitoes here.
Yeah, mosquito, you know.
Huh?
Mosquito bite you up in
Yeah, man, them that kill me up a bush there, and I have to use the repellent. Yeah, man, and I murder me up the man.
Alright, come. What is that, the bike?
No, man, I would them cut up. Wood in them, I
the wood.
Upload it for him.
Yeah?
Upload it for him. The mosquitoes, my goodness.
We.
Let's come outside here.
So what am I going to do now? Now let's set this
Oh, them
thing
stop.
up.
On the beach.
On the beach, oh Lord. On the beach, where me get me steam fish.
And
Out the sea, where me catch me fish to see. Girl, where me love her with the collar and jean. Born pon the land, say me fishing pon the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sing like a beast. Walk pon land, and know we swim up on the sea. Count from a 1 to 1,000,003. On the beach, oh Lord. Well, on the beach, remember when we see my channel, me go name Daddy Irie Pon the beach. That's what thing I was said. See me?
Daddy Irie
Pon the beach. Yeah.
See
So
there.
you see, hold on.
Yeah, like this part of the beach, pure mosquito. It's like a mosquito
Hi, you
hunt.
guys. Hey.
Hey,
Jamaicans are rich, man. Look at the cars.
guys, don't forget to subscribe to D Mwango.
Please.
Please go and subscribe.
Road to 400K.
500.
If all of you come and subscribe, imagine if all your people come and subscribe.
Exactly, we get to 400. So let's come. Hold on up our mind, let's go over there.
Yeah.
Subscribe, get her where she wants to be, you know. Tell them again, D
D
Mwango.
Mwango on YouTube, and also if you're watching from D Mwango, please subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, you see, we're working together, you know, collaborating, uniting Kenya, Jamaica.
Together we win.
Together we win, you know. So her name is Green Mango and I'm Peanut. So one's fruits and one's nuts. One fruits and one is nuts. On the beach where you get this
I
steam
need to give
fish.
him something. I think I have something in my bag.
You have something? Alright.
You can just
On
maybe
the
like
beach when you get this steam fish, lobster, festival and thing. We eat the crab, we eat the spam, we eat the fish. My town artist, me a sing the man song. On the beach. What a nice thing, I'm not lying. I know already.
Yeah, I wonder one of them. I look
Yeah, yeah.
I look around this up.
I walk down there so. So you said done already?
Yeah, you can get piece of this still. Get piece of him on.
Alright, let's see what I
I see
go.
restaurant where you video down there.
Oh.
You video down there. Get piece of him. I just put on and put on it in a pot. Everything. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so deep, man.
You can catch your food now. So see that when you prepare.
Yeah. Brown food and something like that. So this is it when it's ready, D.
This is
Alright, I'll follow that.
yes, keep it on this up on the bar.
On the table.
Line up a table.
Yeah, line up on table. Man, go through this. I will do this chef. That cover restaurant. See it? Okay. Yeah, man.
Because you're one of my favorite of the eating here.
Right now, at Cobra Eyes. We give them the chef food, you know?
Yeah.
Cover rat. When you say cover rat?
No man, Kobo.
Cover.
Kobo.
And the beach, the fry fish. Come in. The fish ready, it's ready right here.
So good.
Yeah. I'm gonna find it.
Wow, guys. Look at that.
So this is where them are doing this. How we are cooking us now?
Brown soup.
Oh, you make the brown stew this?
Yeah, fish.
Brown stew. Oh, yeah, brown stew. So you might Irish, the carrot, the pepper, the thyme. That's well cut up, right?
Very good, man. These are different flavors. Yeah, on the pier?
Yeah. And this too?
Yeah.
Pepper and tea. Oh,
Oh, nice bright.
So guys, I already washed my hands. Clean. So good.
Okay.
Very good. So tasty. 10 out of 10 minus nothing.
10 out of 10.
So good.
So far, you give all the food them in Jamaica
10
10 out of 10. So far you done that. 10 out
So
of 10
good.
for everything that you had.
They call this festival, like I don't know why they call it festival.
What do you call it? What do you call it?
This is more of mandazi.
Who?
Mandazi.
Mandazi?
Yeah.
Oh, festival.
They call it festival.
Mandazi, welcome, meet festivala. Festival. Mandazi, how does that mandazi taste?
So good.
Try in that. They don't like spice. Mandazi. Hey.
Video for me from this side, let's see.
So I'm eating nakula,
Samaki,
samaki,
mandazi,
na
ndizi karai.
that easy karai.
Yeah.
Hey, come again. I'm eating mandazi.
Nakula, mandazi, samaki, na ndizi karai.
Oh, nakula, mandizi, sanuka, manarai. Hey,
Say it again.
mandazi,
Say nakula,
mandazi,
samaki,
samaki,
na ndizi karai.
nandizi, karai.
Start yourself. Start.
I'm eating mandizi. That is it.
No. Nakula,
mandazi,
samaki,
na. Aha.
nakula. Come on.
Them say it's not good to eat and talk, so I don't want to bite my tongue on camera. So I'm gonna practice before I bite my tongue. Yes, blessed love to all, blessed love to all, you know, so we're coming to an end now at Hellshire Beach, you know, it's been a wonderful day at Hellshire Beach, you know, the fish was lovely, as well, you know, as we hear these say, Hellshire, you know, is still a beauty, it's still an ambience where you can come and enjoy yourself, you know, the water is clear, it's clean, you know, it's my first time literally swimming in Hellshire for the longest time, you know, and I never expect the water was going to be the way it was, you know, and the vibe was right, you know, so it's a good evening to come and chill out, you know, eat the fish. I know Hellshire is known for its fish, the food, you know, the fried fish, the steamed fish, the festival, the bami, the mandazi, that's it, right? Yeah, man, so thank you all for watching, you know, remember to put the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, and for all the new subbies, you know, from D, Moanga channels and Christmas list, we thank you so much, you know, welcome over here. It's nothing but positivity. Please keep it positive. Please keep it positive all the way through the program, because that's all we do with positivity only over here. No haters. Haters will be get vaporized. No haters over here. Strictly positivity and love. That's what we're expanding through and around the world, you know, so it's nothing but love. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. You know, it's another adventure with me and D. You know the thing goes. So big ups, remember to check out D Moanga YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe to D Moanga if you haven't subscribed as yet. And all my new subscribers, thank you so much. You know, I'm start to big up Mama Africa more, because we got so much new subscribers from Africa. Mama Africa, we love you, we thank you, I feel the love. Just the Wednesday Kino, I need to come Africa, trust me, I'm gonna come. Definitely one day, I will be on the flight to Africa, you know, definitely, you will see me in Africa one day. Kenya, looking forward for me, I'm coming, I am coming. So blessed love to all, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you haven't put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up. And show love, nothing but love, love, love alone. So you know, it's that time of the day, it's getting dark, the sun is going down, so we're having the last swim, you know, D hooked to the water. She don't want to come out the water, because if I'm the way D hooked to the water, she don't want to leave, right? For me, I'm gone already, and D, she don't want to leave. See, me dry, the sun dry me, the breeze cool me, the food full me. I know I'm just want to go home, but you have to wait for leave. You should enjoy yourself, you know. The paradise life in Jamaica. Yeah, man, so blessed love to all, blessed love to all. Dream team, one team. You know, the beach is clean, as I can see. The only thing you will see is a little stuff you see, but the beach is clean, clean beach. Clean right on all over the place. The place is clean. It's a nice place where you can come and enjoy with family and friends, you know, relative, anybody you want to come with. So please do come and check out Hellshire Beach, you know, anytime you're ready, just come and check out Hellshire Beach. It's a great spot, you know, it's still a live up to expectation for the food, you know. It's too bad the beach is not big, go all the way around, or it used to, you know, but still a decent size. You can come and enjoy yourself. Right here is clean and nice, the water is right, I'm not even lying. It is lovely. It is really, really, really lovely. So thank you so much for watching all. You know, I remember to check out Christmas list. You know, Christmas list is on the road. Yes, guys. So remember to check out Christmas list. Yeah, please subscribe to Christmas list. You know, he's on the road to 200,000 subscribers. So let's get him there. Chris is really a great man. I would thank him so much for everything he's doing, you know. If it wasn't for Chris, all of this wouldn't be possible, you know. So we give thanks to Chris, you know, for making that happening. You know, me and D and we're around the place. So thank you all so much, you know, give thanks. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.